Now we can able to make QR code in Excel. How it's possible? We first import some library of Python. Python. We have to import library QR code. Control plus enter. Now here's we have some link and now convert into QR code. Okay. Simply type here QR code Python. In Python type QR code dot make dot in bracket XL, another bracket, choose the cell value having a link, close the first bracket, then second, then show, control plus enter. Now you can view the image. We have to convert this into Excel value. Now you can able to see the QR code in Excel.